Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best 21mm flange is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in ensuring a comfortable and efficient breastfeeding journey, playing a critical role in milk expression and overall comfort for mothers. This seemingly simple piece of equipment directly impacts the effectiveness of breast pumps, influencing milk output, preventing discomfort, and ultimately contributing to a positive experience for both mother and baby during a crucial period of bonding and nourishment. Understanding its significance and choosing the right one can make a world of difference in your pumping routine. Number 5. Medela PersonalFit Flex Breast Shields. Discover the Medela PersonalFit Flex Breast Shields, designed for your comfort and pumping efficiency. This 2-pack of small 21mm flanges is made without BPA. Experience a more comfortable pumping session with a design shaped specifically around you. Its unique shape helps ensure a better fit and more effective milk expression. Enjoy a comfortable pumping experience thanks to the ergonomic design. It adapts to your body, making each session more pleasant. Achieve efficient milk expression with these specially designed breast pump flanges. The thoughtful construction supports a steady and productive pumping routine. This pack includes two 21mm breast pump flanges, perfect for those needing a smaller size. Get the comfort and efficiency you deserve. Your health and safety are paramount. These breast shields are made without BPA, ensuring a pure and safe experience for you and your baby. What we like. This option is designed with your comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic shape that adapts to you. It ensures efficient milk removal, making pumping sessions more effective. If you prioritize a comfortable and personalized fit during pumping, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The 21mm flange is a perfect fit for my Spectra pump. This 21mm flange is comfortable and easy to use. I love the design of this 21mm flange, it makes pumping so much easier. Number 4. Maymom replacement parts for Spectra S2 S1 pumps. Ensure your Spectra S2 or S1 pump is always ready with this comprehensive replacement kit. It includes all the essential parts you need for uninterrupted use. This kit features a 21mm flange, designed for a comfortable and effective fit. Get the right size for optimal milk collection. It comes with crucial components like duckbill valves, tubing, and backflow protectors. These parts are vital for maintaining your pump's performance. Crafted with durable materials, these parts are built to last. You can rely on them for consistent and safe operation. Please note that these are compatible replacement parts, not original Spectra accessories. They are designed to work seamlessly with your Spectra S2 and S1 pumps. Regularly replacing worn-out parts is key to maintaining your pump's efficiency. This kit makes it easy to keep your device in top condition. What we like. This set offers a compatible and cost-effective solution for Spectra pump users, providing all the necessary parts for a full replacement. It includes duckbill valves, tubing, and bottles, ensuring you have everything you need. If you're looking for an economical way to replace your Spectra pump parts without compromising functionality, this kit is ideal. What people say. The flange is designed for a 21mm nipple, ensuring a proper fit for milk collection. The wide opening of the 21mm flange makes it easy to clean and assemble. The material of the flange is BPA-free and safe for contact with breast milk. Number 3. Maymom Wide Neck Pump Part for Spectra S1 S2. Introducing our wide neck pump parts, designed to be compatible with your Spectra S1 and S2 pumps. These are not original Spectra flanges but offer a great alternative. These parts effectively replace the Spectra shield, ensuring a comfortable and efficient pumping experience. Get the functionality you need with these replacement components. Each set includes a wide mouth flange for a better fit and improved comfort during pumping sessions. Enjoy a more natural feel with this thoughtful design. The included flanges are 21mm, providing a suitable size for many users. This ensures a proper seal and optimal milk collection. You'll receive 2 flanges in this pack, so you have a spare or can use them for double pumping. This offers great value and convenience for your needs. What we like. Featuring a wide mouth flange, this option is designed for enhanced comfort and a better seal during pumping. It's made to be compatible with Spectra pumps, offering a comfortable alternative to standard shields. If you experience discomfort with traditional flanges or prefer a wider opening for a more natural feel, this is a great option to consider. What people say. These Maymom wide neck pump parts have been a lifesaver for my Spectra S2 pumping routine. The wide mouth flange included in this set fits my Spectra pump perfectly and provides excellent comfort during extended pumping sessions. The materials feel durable and well constructed, standing up to daily sterilizing and frequent use without any degradation in quality or function. Number 2. Nenesupply 21mm Flanges for Spectra breast pumps. Ensure a comfortable and effective pumping experience with our 21mm breast flanges. Designed specifically for your Spectra S2, S1, 9+, and Synergy Gold breast pumps, they provide a secure and reliable fit. The wide mouth opening makes these replacement parts easy to use and clean. They are designed to work seamlessly with your existing Spectra pump accessories, including valves and backflow protectors. These are high-quality replacement flanges, ensuring durability and consistent performance. They are a great option when you need new parts for your Spectra breast pump. Our flanges are compatible with a wide range of Spectra pump parts. They work perfectly with valves, backflow protectors, and bottles, making them a versatile addition to your pumping essentials. Upgrade your Spectra breast pump with these essential accessories. They are designed to enhance your pumping journey, offering comfort and efficiency with every use. Maintenance is a breeze with these wide-mouth flanges. Their simple design allows for quick and easy cleaning, so you can spend less time on upkeep and more time on what matters. What we like. This set provides wide-mouth flanges compatible with Spectra pumps, aiming for a more comfortable and efficient pumping experience. It comes as a set of 2, ensuring you have spares. If you are a Spectra user seeking a wider flange option for improved comfort and a comprehensive set of replacement parts, this is a strong contender. What people say. Work perfectly for Spectra S1. Even came with a nipple size check to ensure you're buying the right size flange. Has made my pumping sessions so comfortable and works great with the Spectra pump. They perform well and generally offer suction comparable to the original pump brand parts, often with slightly stronger suction. Number 1. Maymom 21mm Flange and Duckbill Valve Set. Ensure a comfortable and efficient pumping experience with our 21mm Flange and Duckbill Valve Set. Designed to be compatible with your Spectra S1, S2, and 9+ models. These are high-quality replacement parts that offer a reliable alternative for your original Spectra pump accessories. Get the performance you need for successful milk expression. The 21mm flange size is designed for comfort and optimal milk collection. It provides a snug yet gentle fit, making your pumping sessions more enjoyable. This set includes essential duckbill valves, crucial for maintaining suction and proper function of your breast pump. Keep your pump working efficiently with these vital components. Don't let worn-out parts slow you down. Replace your old flange and duckbill valves with this compatible set to restore your Spectra pump's original performance. Get the functionality you need at a great value. These parts offer a cost-effective solution to keep your breast pump in excellent working condition. What we like. This package offers a convenient set of 21mm flanges and duckbill valves specifically designed for Spectra pumps. It ensures a proper seal and efficient function for your breast pump. If you need to replace both your flanges and duckbill valves for your Spectra S1, S2, or 9+, this all-in-one solution simplifies the process. What people say. The set comes with clear instructions and images, which made swapping everything out super simple. The parts themselves feel durable and well-made, and they fit my S2 perfectly without any issues. Everything works smoothly and has held up well after multiple uses and washes. These pieces can be used interchangeably with the original pieces from my pump. There is no noticeable difference. It is easy to clean and good quality, withstands the heat of steaming. I loved having a wide range of different flange sizes to try. Being able to find the right fit made such a huge difference in comfort and output. Better fit, less discomfort, and a much more positive experience overall. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.